back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and today I am moving into my new apartment in LA. It's going to be me and my sister's apartment, so I'm going to give you guys a quick apartment tour. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get straight into this tour. Alright guys, so when you first walk in, this is our main entrance door. Then you turn and you see our really big living room. Let me focus this. So we have hardwood flooring, very pretty dark flooring. This is basically the big living room space, as you guys can see. So that's the window. So this will be our whole living room area, where we'll probably put a TV against this wall and like furniture and stuff. This is our dining room area. So we have a nice ceiling fan and another window to look out and see a view. This is our kitchen. This is my favorite part because I do like to cook. So we have the stove, a lot of cabinet space, the sink. I love the countertop. The marble countertop is gorgeous. We still have to get a fridge to put right here, and then of course we're going to get like a little dining room area as well. So that's basically an overview of the living room and the kitchen. And we have this nice little countertop, so we're probably going to pull up some bar stools and make it look super cute. Here we have our hallway, and then in the middle of the hallway we have even more cabinet space that looks really good. Straight ahead we have like the main bathroom. So this will be my sister's bathroom. As you can see, nice little mirror, and she has the cute bulbs in it. And then we have a nice countertop as well. I'm trying to make sure this is focused. Okay. And then cabinet space down here. We have the toilet, the little mirror for when you look outside, and we have the bathtub in the main bathroom. So then over here, this is going to be my sister's room. So let me turn on the light. So ceiling fan in this room as well, and it has the blinds looking out. Hardwood floor as well, and then she has the sliding mirrors in her room, which is super cute. So yeah, that's basically the gist of the room. And now we're gonna go into my room. So this one is mine. Basically that mirror, I mean not the mirror, the blinds as well, the window. Then here I have a walk-in bathroom. Well, not a walk-in bathroom. I have a bathroom. So mirror as well. The lighting. I have a sink. I have a toilet. And I have the shower. So we have like the main shower that I can't get open. Okay, here we go. So this is my shower. And then like hooks and stuff. So we come out of my bathroom, and then I have a vanity space. So this is it. It has nice mirror, table. So I'll probably be doing most of my editing right here. I'll put my laptop here and everything like that. And then I also have a walk-in closet. So you come here and pull this switch. And this is my walk-in closet, so hardwood flooring, and then you have the shelving as well. So I have a cool little walk-in closet that I love. And yeah, so we basically have a two bedroom, two bath apartment, and that's pretty much it. This lighting is so bright. That's a little better. So yeah, that's basically my first apartment tour. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be doing like more like moving vlogs, and then I'll do a final room tour as well for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.